devil.
Hala. Hala. Sugod ka na ito. Angel and the devil. Di ba ako viewer? No. Mga fakers, yun eh sila. Interview ta, gamitin mong phone. Gamita as mic, pero atik lang.
Yes, ano po?
What are you doing?
Memorizing.
Sa?
Val-Ed subject.
Isa na yung na-memorize nga kanta?
Bayang Magiliw lang po.
Sure.
Oo.
Okay. Ka-memorize sa Panatang Makabayan, Panatang.
Oo, apat na yung na-memorize ko.
Ay, Tagalog pala to eh.
Oh, kanta man, Bayang Magiliw lang.
Ha? Hey guys. Wait. Kanina. Sakto, okay ra. Hey guys. Today, mag-interview mo yung people kay boring na kayo. Okay, let's go. Wala may, kaya man naman, nag-vacant naman may kay. Memorize masala niya. So okay na mi guys, mana na mi sa balay. Let's go. Mana na siya. Interview ta sa akong mga baby girls. Ay, diri pa di ay. Wait, there is ata guys. This is for the kuan lang, for the cloud. Oh, good afternoon. Ay, good afternoon. Gaon sa mo ron? Naminaw sa ano niya. Naka-memorize na mo? Wala. Kung sa'yo wala ka memorize? Yun this. Ora. Sige, thank you po. Saba kasi. Hello po, idol. Sige.
Hi.
What's your ganap today?
Wala. Chilling.
Chilling like a villain?
Yes, chilling.
Okay. Did you memorize na?
Ay, wala po ako memorize sa Region 10.
Asa mo ka mag-present?
Wala po.
Tomorrow what?
Lunch.
Lunch? Dirito sa mga girls. Hi po, idol. Hello po. What's your ganap for today? What's your ganap for today? Listening to them recite. Mana ka recite? Mana po? Okay, thank you. Sister. Hi, sir. Hi, sir. Hi, sir. Hi. What's your ganap for today? Pakyut. Ano man? You're cute? Okay, thank you. Ala, it's a prank. What's your ganap for today? Let's go here. What's your ganap? What are you doing today? Okay, let's go back. Hello, Miss Tamparo. Hello. Who are you? I am Princess Icos Yes Tamparo, the governor of the Junior High School Department. That's a long introduction. Hey, that's so short for you. Okay, you don't get it. Okay. You're a devil. You're a devil. Okay. What's your ganap for today? What are you doing today?
So far, I'm just sitting in the chair, waiting supposedly because we are supposedly to check our computer test paper, but then suddenly, yeah?
My dear Governor, do we have lecture right?
Okay, wala pa naman.
Salamat kaya
Okay, so to continue, so as you heard, Sir Eldon, we want to be having a class na it's already 4 and then our dismissal is 4. Yeah, that's it.
Okay, thank you, Miss Governor.
I miss you.
Don't clip it. Okay, hello everyone. My name is Shizuki Nari. And I'm interview some people. Okay, let's go here. Ato ta ni Roel Habyan. Good morning, good afternoon, J-boy.
Good afternoon.
What's your ganap for today?
Mag-recite.
Wala pa, di ka ka-recite?
Wala pa.
Masaya mo na memorize?
Panatang Makabayan, Bayang Magiliw, o Panunumpa.
Wala ba ka sa Region 10?
Wala.
Nga naman?
Taas kayo.
Okay, thank you. Hello, good afternoon. What's your name?
Ruel,
Asa may ganap niyo for today?
mag-recite may sa Kwan, Baled.
Naka-memorize na ka?
Oo, duwara.
Unsa man na?
Kwan, Panatang Makabayan og Kwan. Wara.
Yung kaduha questions.
Excuse me, Blazer ni Ben. Mumatong gilabay. Ay,
Yaboy na naman
Padayon na report.
Kuan na po siya. Ng iba. Hello po guys. Good afternoon. Pwede tamo i-interview.
Sige na lang.
Okay.
Madali.
What's your name, both?
Adrian.
Hi, I'm Jill. Okay. Asa may ganap ninyo for today?
Ako siyang gi-teach because I'm a teacher.
O sa imong teach niya?
Ang Rayon Jess og Lopang Genera.
Abi kog manaka.
Lagi, pero na-adjust ta mga words kilisod kay ilitok.
Pero 50-50 maka perfect maka. Okay. Unsay ganap nimo today?
Ha?
Unsay ganap nimo today?
Sige ganap. It's my birthday.
How old are you?
17.
Sige, happy birthday. That's all guys, kay kapoy na ko interview. Yes. Okay. Hello guys, what are you doing? Doing the butterfly footwork. Did I ask girly? Usang, ana! Ana! Tag. Dili ko kabalo guys. I'm so sorry. My dancing material is not giving. Ma'am, kabalo ka og butterfly. Saan ang butterfly footwork gel?
No, kabalo.
Dancers me na, dili kabalo og butterfly footwork. Wala ba yun? Mao ba?
Sige, ikaw ko interviewon. Nganong ikaw ang videographer ni DK?
Kay Mari mo ko video.
Okay, ikaw. Sige. Lagi no, uwi ka ayo.
Nga naman.
Nganong ikaw man ang gakuan?
Sige kuan. Alay kuan.
Basta ikaw kabalo na. Kabalo na kasakuan. Nganong ikaw ang...
So welcome to our resort. Among Barbie.
Hey guys.
So time check. Sige, time check. Mga corneran 8 kapin. Basta something sa 8.
Wala na may ligo. Wala na ligo guys. So, ako rin naligo nilang doon. Ay ko kanya. Ito na doon. Wala magkaligo si Jenny.
Muni-muni siya. Nawa naman.
In love na si Casey. Natin. Kaya siya makalimutan ni... Ay!
The short hair girly.
Ma-reveal na diri. Uy, kano sa ka mag-reveal? Siyang buhok.
Lagi, wala siya ka-reveal siyang hair.
Kaya mo siya ka-picture.
Ano yung TikTok?
Eh, mag-tiktok na yung uli ron.
Iyan itang TikTok. Ano yung TikTok?
Tas naka-photo mode.
Story mode.
Ay, oo.